गिरिनन्दिनि नन्दितमेदिनि विश्वविनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरवि।
Good morning all of you. Happy 9th day of Navratri. As our school has been celebrating Navratri festival, you all have heard many inspirational women personalities. These all ladies have done great work by overcoming all the difficulties of life. These all gems should be mentioned, should be recalled, so that society will learn moral values, get inspiration from them. तो आज हम सुनने जा रहे हैं उस लड़की की महान गाथा जिसने विकलांग होने के बाद भी एवरेस्ट तक पहुंचने की हिम्मत की है। हम बात करेंगे उसकी स्ट्रगल की, उसके करेज की और उसकी जिद की। Now we'll hear about एवरेस्ट की बेटी। Do you know about her? Yes, she is none other than Arunima Sinha. Who is she? She is none other than Arunima Sinha. She is an Indian amputee, mountaineer and sportswoman. From childhood, she had her interest in sport. She is also 7 times Indian volleyball player. Before going further, let's have look on her personal life. She was born in 1988 in Uttarakhand. Her father was in Indian Army. After her father died, she wanted to join paramilitary forces. She had qualified all the exams of police force and got a call letter from the same. And this was her life-changing event. अरुणिमा पद्मावती एक्सप्रेस से लखनऊ से दिल्ली जा रही थी। उसी वक्त कुछ लुटेरे उनके ट्रेन में घुस गए और उनसे चेन छीनने की कोशिश की। बट एज ए स्पोर्ट्स वुमन शी हैज़ नेवर गिवन अप। उसने विरोध किया लेकिन वो लड़ ना पाई क्योंकि वो लुटेरे 5 लोग थे और उन्होंने अरुणिमा को चलती ट्रेन से फेंक दिया। जब उसे फेंका गया तो अपोजिट साइड से दूसरी ट्रेन आ रही थी और उसी वक्त उसका पाँव उस पटरी पर कट गया। वो चीखती रही, चिल्लाती रही। 7 घंटे वो चीखती रही, चिल्लाती रही, पर वो अपने घाव से लड़ ना पाई। जब इस घटना का लोगों को पता चला तब उसको एम्स में एडमिट किया गया। अरुणिमा हॉस्पिटल में अपनी जिंदगी और मौत से लड़ रही थी। लगभग 4 महीने वो लड़ती रही और आखिरकार उसकी ही जीत हुई। अरुणिमा अब घर वालों के लिए, समाज वालों के लिए विकलांग हो चुकी थी। She resolved to climb each of the mountain of the every continent, highest peak of the every continent, and wanted to hoist the Indian flag there. Because she wanted to show the world, nothing is impossible in the world, but just we need to put some efforts into the work. She met with Bachendri Pal, the first Indian mountain climber woman. During discussion with Pal, she has inspired her with her words. बेटी, तूने जो आर्टिफिशियल लेग के साथ माउंट एवरेस्ट की चढ़ाई करने का सोच ही लिया है तो समझ ले तुमने अपने सपने को साकार कर लिया है। लेकिन अब तुझे इस दुनिया को बताना है कि तू विकलांग होने के बाद भी माउंट एवरेस्ट चढ़ पाएगी। She kept these words of Pal in her mind. Later she had researched all the difficulties during climbing the mountain. With firm determination, she climbed all the 7 peaks of the world. Her journey started in 2014 and ended in 2019. Like she has climbed Mount Everest in Asia, Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa, Mount Elbrus in Europe, Mount Kosciuszko in Australia, Mount Aconcagua in South Africa, Denali in North America, and Mount Vinson in Antarctica. If we will talk about Mount Everest, she took 52 days to summit it. She wrote a small message on the mountain after hoisting an Indian flag there And the message was, it was my tribute to Shankar Bhagwan and Swami Vivekananda, who has been an inspiration throughout my life. In 2015, government honored her with Padma Shri Award for the same. Arunima inspired people to believe that they can go beyond any disability to fulfill their dreams. Though she lost her leg in an accident, she didn't stop. She faced many difficulties to achieve her dream. Her guide kept saying that she is lucky, but her words were, luck favors only those who have the passion to win. अरुणिमा हमेशा कहती थी, इंसान शरीर से विकलांग नहीं होता, इंसान शरीर से विकलांग नहीं होता, विकलांग होता है उसकी मानसिकता से। और इसी निश्चयी भावना से वो विश्व की सबसे ऊंची चोटियों को पार कर सकी। At last, I conclude my words with lines. अपने हौसलों को ये मत बताओ कि आपकी तकलीफें कितनी बड़ी है। अपनी तकलीफों को ये बताओ आपका हौसला कितना बड़ा है, आपका हौसला कितना बड़ा है। Thank you. Here we have ended Jagar Nari Shakti today. So all videos are already uploaded on YouTube. You just do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.